day, sir. My name is Danilo Caverte and I live in Ginsangaan, Bundok, Southern Leyte. This video I will share my professional understanding the CWTS to orientation. Based, based on what I learned, CWTS or Civic Welfare Training Service is not just subject we need to pass but a program that help us become better individual. It is a part in STP which focus on shaping students into possible disciplined and community society citizens. For me, the main goal of NSTP is to train to youth become active members of society. It teaches us to love our country, respect others, and take part helping our communities grow. It also It's also emergency which is very important especially in real life situation. This vision and mission of the program show that the school wants students to be more than just academically smart. They want us to be well-rounding individuals, meaning we are not only knowledge but also responsible, helpful, and aware of what happening around us. One thing that really stood out to me is that WT is focus on community service. Students are encouraged to join protect that can improve different respect and community like health, education, environment, and safety. This means we are not just learning inside the classroom. We are also cleaning by actually helping people. I also understood what CWTs help us apply what we learn in school to real life situation. For example, instead of just studying concept, we use them in project that benefit others. This help us develop practical skill like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Another important of the orientation, the expecting outcome of the program. After upcoming CWTS students should become more responsible and active in community activities. We should also develop a strong sense of patriotism and willingness to serve others. Simple words will expect become better citizens. The grading system is also something we need to take seriously even if WT is not included in the GWA. It is still required graduation. This means we cannot ignore if attendance is very important and too many absence can lead to being dropped from the class. I also learned about the importance of the portfolio. If it collection of our output can be activities during semester. This this show our effort, participation, and learning. It is now just about exam, but about low activity. We are we are in the program. The rules and registration are also very strict. Students are expected to behave properly at all times. We must respect everyone including our teachers and community members. Any form of bad behavior like bullying, drinking, smoking, or using illegal drugs is not allowed. Wearing proper uniform and ID is also required. Issues discipline and help identify as a student representing the school. Safety is also very important, especially during activity. We must always stay with our group and follow instruction. For activities outside the school, we need permission from our parents and proper coordination with the community. This ensures that every day is organized and safe. Another thing I noticed that students are not allowed to change their project plans without approval. This teaches of follow rules and respect the system is also shows the importance of planning and responsibility. If rules if rules are not allowed, there are consequences like querying, suspension, or failure. This remind us that our action have result and we need be accountable. Overall, my studying of CWT is to it's that is it is designed to help us grow not just student but as people teaches us important life values like discipline, responsibility, teamwork, and service to others. For me, CWT is important because it helps us see our role in society, remind us that can make difference even simple ways. By helping community, we are also helping our country. In conclusion, WTS is not just required to training ground for becoming a better, more responsibility and more citizen. It's prepare us for real life challenge and encourage us not contribute positive society. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.